Hi Deepika, Saroj here from Bollywood Nazar. My question is for you. फिल्म में ऑन स्क्रीन आपने और रणवीर ने शादी कर ली है, तो ऑफ स्क्रीन हम लोगों को ये कब सुनने को मिल रहा है?
No comment.
There's a news that the premiere of the film has been postponed from 25th August to 1st September. Is there any particular reason, or is it also connected to the censor board issue which
It's
is
directly related to the censor board issue, and I think there is a rule that it takes at least a minimum of 8 days once it goes into the censor for it to be passed at any level. Our film is being censored right now, actually, which is why Homi and the rest of the team are not here. And because of the backlog, we all know there's been a backlog, and there are a lot of films that need to be censored. So our film's gone in today, and so we need to keep a minimum of an 8-day gap before we can actually screen it. We've also decided to do something slightly different, and I also think that comes from the fact that we're very happy with the film that we've made, and the film is ready. So instead of doing the usual thing, which is to, promote the film and then have a premiere or then show the film to everyone at the last minute, we've decided to do the reverse, which is to actually start with the premiere, which will now be on the 1st of September, and then kind of have various screenings for everyone, so that when the film finally premieres on the 12th of September, hopefully all of you know enough about the film that that the audience is eventually going to watch. I think we're also going to have some special screenings for all of you. I think our team will get in touch with all of you, and I think there's specific dates for everybody. But all of you sitting here will also get to see the film much before the actual release, the official release, which is on the 12th of September.
Also, अर्जुन, दीपिका, आप लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन था जब आप लोगों ने वो खबर जानी कि ब्राइबिंग चलती है सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए भी? इनफैक्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल फिल्म्स को भी सर्टिफिकेट आसानी से मिल जाता है अगर पैसा दिया जाता है तो.
I don't think this is the podium or the platform to discuss that. It's a very sensitive topic, and at this point in time, what's important is जो पिक्चरें रिलीज होने वाली अगले हफ्ते, like Raja Natwarlal and Mary Com, they get their censor certificates in time so they can be released, because there's a lot of money riding on those films as well, and we are also next in line to get released. So I hope the work continues as it's supposed to. That does not stop, because a lot of effort goes into making a film, and getting the film censored is an important part of it. So I hope the work does not suffer. It's not our place at this point, I don't think, to discuss that beyond it.
Also, one more thing, Deepika, you just said that we all will be able to see the film much more before the actual release date. That happens only when the makers and actors are quite confident about the film, that how it will be received. But also the other part is that this is kind of a mystery. Whatever we can see from the name of the film, Finding Fanny. Do you think that the main thing about the film will be out way before the release? Because of the online, how things go and story goes out.
Hopefully not.
They will know Pankaj Kapoor is the killer.
Hopefully not. I think we hope there are no spoilers, and we hope that people who go in and watch the movie kind of leave the mystery for everyone, for the rest of the audience that's going to see it later on. As far as being confident about the film is concerned, we've made a film. We've made it with all our heart. And once you've made a film, I think it's like a child. You have to let it go into the world. We have to kind of let it go at some point. And I think the other thing for us is that it's very, very different from any other film that has been made. So there's no comparison. You can't compare Finding Fanny to any other film that you've ever seen in Indian cinema. As far as the storytelling goes, as far as it looks visually. So we've made something special, and we hope that the audience and all of you love it as much as we do.
I think what will be nice, since we are doing it a little earlier than most films do it, we can have a coherent conversation about the film rather than speculation, rather than going into disjointed question answers with all you guys. I think it will be nice to be able to actually discuss the film, give the audience a fair perspective. Hamari film kiske bare mein, because it's unique in the way we've approached it, the making, the storytelling of Homi, even though it's simple as a story. His approach and his visual palette is so unique. So acha hoga that you guys would be able to see it and actually talk about the film and the character. So we don't have to come out and say, "Wohi ghise bete line jo marte hain." You might get interesting answers out of us also, which is nice for us also to have you guys supporting us. So the audience does come out and watch something. Like I said in the last press conference also, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना आप लोग same काम करते हो, same चीज़ें कहते हो, same films करते हो. This is not same. How different it is that the audience will decide, but it's not same. So I hope you guys enjoyed enough for us to have a healthy discussion about the film.
Members of the media,
one-
last 2 questions.
One question, Deepika here. धीरज फ्रॉम आज तक एक इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप ने एक मूड नेशन सर्वे किया जिसमें पब्लिक ने वोट किया और आपको क्वीन ऑफ बॉलीवुड का टैग दिया गया है
Queen.
और ये टैग पिछले 2 साल से कटरीना कैफ के पास था. नाउ योर करियर इज शाइनिंग. थोड़ा सा अगर आप इस पे कुछ कहना चाहें प्लीज.
I want to thank everyone who's voted for me. What do I say? What kind of a question is this? I don't think I can
इन्होंने
compare.
अपने चैनल और अपने ब्रांड की पिचिंग आपके क्वेश्चन के थ्रू कर दी और कुछ नहीं. बस.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Bus.
See, I don't think I've ever been concerned about what anyone else has done or what anyone else is doing or what anyone else is going to do. I've always been someone who's only concerned with my work. I compare my current film with my last film. I try and do better than I have in the past. That's the only thing that I can do, and that's the only thing that I can do in my own capacity. And you keep working harder and harder and harder. And I think for me, whatever's happening to me and my career today is a result of all of that. And I think the best learning for me, I always say this, has been the practical experience that I've had on a film set. And I believe that no matter how much you train, how much you learn, whether you go to film school, whether you go to acting school, the best training that anyone can get is actually on a film set. And I said this earlier on as well, that at some point I would definitely like to assist on a film with someone when I manage to take a break, and hopefully take some time off and actually do the back end of the work. I know what it is to be in front of the camera. I think it'll also be interesting to be behind the camera to.
मेरी अगली पिक्चर मैसेज कर ले.
I'm very happy to. So this is actually a message for all directors out there. If you're looking for an assistant director or a runner, I'm happy to do that because I think
अरे
there's.
कितना मजा आएगा.
That's
दीपिका
a great
पादुकोण
experience.
से शॉट रेडी का. अरे.
I think it'll be a great learning experience because again, I've always been in front of the camera and I've learned that aspect of it, and I think it'll be very interesting to do work behind the scenes as well.
We wish
Okay,
to become a
Deepika,
director
and,
one day. One more question,
I don't want to become a director.
Okay.
I don't have any stories to tell. My life is not that exciting, so I don't want to be a director. I don't have exciting stories to tell, but I like the production aspect of it. Now again, don't misquote me and say I'm becoming a producer or I'm starting my production house. That's not what I mean. I mean the everyday job that an AD does or that a production person does to actually put a film together. Actors show up on a set, the director shows up, but there's a lot of back end that actually goes into making that happen every single day. And I think that's the kind of job I would enjoy doing.
Okay, Deepika और अर्जुन,
Okay,
आप
thank
दोनों
you
से
so
एक
much,
सवाल-
members of the media.
We can take a few more questions. It's okay. I'm enjoying this.
दोनों से एक सवाल. जब पहली बार अर्जुन आपको मालूम पड़ा कि दीपिका आपके साथ काम कर रही हैं और जब आपको मालूम पड़ा कि अर्जुन आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, दोनों का पहला रिएक्शन, वो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था?
said, wow. और क्या है? It happened in a very nice way. Homi told me, and then it kind of just sunk in that we are doing a film that we wouldn't have imagined at least working together in a film like this to begin with. वो एक conventional casting होती है ना, when you're just starting out as a main lead actor, you're thinking, okay, when you work with Deepika, it'll be a romantic film, it'll be a typical Hindi film. So I was really excited that we're doing something that is unique. And she had mentioned this film to me. Ironically, I'd met her at Yashraj. She was shooting for Race 2 at the time, and she had said, there's this really interesting film that Homi is planning on doing, and I'm really excited, and I hope it comes through. And she didn't mention anything more. So I knew when I heard it, I said, this is the film that she was talking about. So it fell into place really nicely. I think it was good that we both chose to come together in a very interesting space rather than the conventional one.
Hi, Deepika.
For me, I think the minute I got the first narration of the film, or when Homi and me were working on it, doing workshops, or when we were discussing the film, and when he did mention Arjun and casting Arjun as Savio, I think it was the perfect fit. You know, I think very, very rarely in your career, and I've said this before, very rarely in your career do you get a part where you get to be very similar to the kind of person that you are. And I feel he just fit into this. I feel like he more or less had to just be himself. And I think he's absolutely perfect for the part.
Hi Deepika, this is hi Arjun, this is Amit Bhatnagar from Soch Magazine. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि इस मूवी में आपने इतने सीनियर्स एक्टर्स के साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करी है, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका नसीर जी के साथ, डिम्पल जी के साथ और पंकज जी के साथ काम करके? मतलब उनकी एक्टिंग तो लाजवाब है ही, तो क्या आपने उनसे मतलब एक इंस्पिरेशन कुछ मिली हो इस मूवी से साथ काम करके ऐसा?
I think we are better actors because we've been able to share the frame with them. We are better people because we got to spend time with them. Acting, their work speaks for themselves. Their body of work is extensive and tremendous. For me, it was exciting. बहुत कम लोगों को मौका मिलता है उनके साथ अलग अलग काम करने का. मुझे मौका मिला to have 3 actors like that together and Deepika and to do a very interesting film. जो हम scenes भी कर रहे थे उसमें there's meat to bite into as actors. We all had equal footing, and to be able to stand up with them for us to be able to enjoy that process. It's like going back to acting class for me, and I always tell Homie this. He's given me an opportunity to be in acting class here, literally, because they're all professional. They all know their job, and they don't take their experience seriously. ऐसा नहीं है that they carry that baggage on set. तो वो कैमरा के सामने ये नहीं behave करते कि यार हमें सब पता है, हम ऐसे ही करेंगे, हम वैसे ही करेंगे. They still have their ears open for what the director wants. They still want to do better for the director, for the film. And they always keep the film at the forefront, not their personal, कि मेरा scene अच्छा हुआ या मेरा काम अच्छा. They're always talking from the film's perspective. I mean, from the readings that we did, from the conversations that we had, they have tremendous clarity and tremendous work ethic even today. I think that's what makes them such bona fide stars and actors.
Breaking news.
Hi.
Tell me, even I want to know.
Okay,
Huh? Breaking news.
Before that, I have a question. Sorry to
Huh?
interrupt.
Say na, even I want to know. Please.
Okay, can I just ask my
Then-
question?
No. Once I want to know what the breaking news is. Say na.
Okay, so here's one quote from Femina magazine, which you have given that it feels nice to be unconditionally loved about Ranveer Singh.
I asked you if it's
So-
breaking news. This is not breaking news.
But for us it is like इन दिनों लोग यहाँ पर अपने relationship
So the journalist called me up yesterday. The journalist called me up yesterday because the magazine hit the stands, I think, yesterday, and he's called to apologize because I was misquoted, or rather, he's used the answer of another question and printed another question, and he's cut paste the question and the answer, and he's made it seem like this. He called me up himself. I didn't have to say anything. He called me up himself to apologize, and he has said that in the next issue he is going to carry a clarification. So I told you there's no breaking news.
Okay.
I've never seen a more disappointed bunch of people. Oh.
Okay, of course, your film is about finding.
But isn't that a lovely cover? Have you seen the cover?
They went straight for the quote, boss. They've not checked your
They've gone right
photos.
to the end. No, I mean, yeah, of course. It's something that I've said, but it's been what do you say? The question was different, and I'd answered separately for that, and this was the answer for another question. So, कहीं पे कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है, and he's going to carry a clarification in the next issue. So look out for that. That will be breaking news.
Okay,
Fantastic.
one
Members
more
of the
question.
media,
Last, I've been waiting.
thank
Sorry.
you so much. We'll take him.
Okay. Of course, your film is about finding Fanny. In real.
Not Fanny.
Fanny, not Fanny.
Fanny.
Of course, I got.
Sir, picture के पहले आप जो चाहे ढूंढ लो, हम फैनी को ढूंढने वाले.
Okay, it's about finding Fanny. In the real world, there has been an incident where a year-old baby girl is finding her mother who's abandoned her in Varanasi outside a temple. I just need a reaction from you on that. और हिंदी में होगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
What?
So,
That's how daughters are treated. Even though there is so much hue and cry about it.
I would just like to say one thing, sir. It's a very pertinent question. What you're asking, पर आप घुमा फिरा के हमारी पिक्चर का नाम लेके इस सवाल पे आना ताकि आपको एक कोट मिले. It's not relevant to what we are trying to speak about here. आपने सवाल पूछा, वो अगर हम वन ऑन वन कर रहे होते आप पूछते फिर भी अलग बात है. ये बहुत अजीब चीज़ हो जाती है अगर आप हमारी फिल्म का नाम इस्तेमाल करके you're talking about something that is contextual to not finding Fanny.
No, it's fine. It's
very strange.
You're talking about the girl child and a girl who's been abandoned because
आप सीधा
she's
वो
just
पूछ
a day
लीजिए.
old. I hope if I could, I would. If I was not a working woman, I would have adopted her. I really hope she finds a nice and secure and a safe place, and I hope somebody adopts her. I say this again, if I could, I would.
Thank you so much, members of the media, for your questions. We have some winners through a contest who are getting a chance.
Can we get some details? Maybe if we can help her find a shelter or something?
She's already found a shelter.
She's in Varanasi.
They are just waiting for somebody to respond. Probably in 30 days, they will get her to a shelter.
She's 1 day old, you said.
She's a day old.
And she's been left alone in a hospital.
Outside a temple.
Outside a temple.
Will you let me know once you get some more updates on that? Thank you.
Thank you. So we have a few contest winners who have won an opportunity to dance with Deepika and Arjun on this song that's Shake Your Bootia. But before that, could I please request Arjun and Deepika for the photo opportunity with all our photographers here?